So what we're gonna do for starters is to divide ourselves up in groups, and then later we're gonna assemble it together.
If you use this formula, you could say, this DNA code of the Strandbeest, then hopefully the Strandbeest will walk and stay on the same level.
The workshop, it mainly started with first getting some technical explanations. So the leg mechanism seems to be quite complicated because there's very clear ratios that they have to be able to walk. And then they split us up into groups, and then each group kind of focused on one part. So there was the hips, and there's like hipless legs and hip legs, and the general frame. And some people also work on the rotor mechanism inside that allows it to kind of move around. And I think the most fun was when we then all came together and kind of put the parts together. It starts to kind of take shape, and that was very fun.
I noticed that they seem to understand very well what's keeping me busy on the beach. That I really understood that this is not a sort of intellectual process. This is more like playing with the tubes, like they did this afternoon. And to be able to be surprised what's happening under your hands, in fact. That usually are the lucky moments that opens the door to a new future.